Roemen's Towing here. Sorry about not posting a video lately, but my back has been screwed up after the holidays. Having the holidays come up and getting together with family and stuff like that kind of messed everything up, and then having back issues after that. So I've been to the chiropractor a few times and hopefully got it straightened out. Still a little sore, but I got to do some tows today, so I'll get you some video of that. So we have one we have to pick up. Sounds like, I believe, a 2018 GM pickup. Missing on one cylinder real bad, so not drivable. So we're gonna haul that back to our shop in Del Rapids from Sioux Falls, and hopefully after that I will get an abandoned vehicle for you guys. So I'll see you then. All right, we are here. Burgundy Chevy here, if you can see that there. Backed up to it here. Boom, put down quick. Transfer case put in neutral here. Has a misfire, so can't drive it. I think they said number 6 had a bad misfire on it, so we're gonna get her into neutral here. All right, we are in neutral. If you didn't see what I did there, turn the key on, put the vehicle in neutral holding the brake, and then turn the shift knob for the transfer case from 2 high, and you turn it to 4 low, and then there's a spring loaded section there. You just turn that, hold it there for about 10 to 20 seconds. Some vehicles end up making you go a little bit longer than others, but that's all you gotta do. Put it back in park, and we will shut the key off. Pull the key out just so it doesn't get locked in there by accident. Put the key back in here for safekeeping. We'll just verify that the transfer case ended up going into neutral. I'll slide back here. She rolls freely. Go back ahead. We're going to keep her about right in there. Should be good. I'm going to go up a little higher with it. Get some goodies here. You throw that down there. I'll put the light up on the roof here quick. That did not unlock that door. I'm going to have to step up in the back seat here to get it on the roof. And these have these stupid ridges that kind of fight you, so we got to go kind of diagonally with it here. Yeah, I don't want to keep it back as far as we can here. I was going to say put it up in the front where it's a little more flat, but then people might not see it. I should have went the other way. My hands are cold. Wonderful 12 degrees out, or whatever the hell it is now. Oh, so close. Oh, come on. I'm gonna grab some winter gloves here. A little bit warmer. A little bit of heat in those ones. It was all kinds of twisted up there from last time. All right. Cross chain here for those. Nice things about pickups, you got recovery loops you can go to. Oh. Yeah, that. Just a little bit down there. That should be good there. And we are all set. We're good to go here. Alright, let's see if we can end up pushing it in one of these spots here. See if I got enough maneuvering room here. You can't even see my lines on the pavement back there, so I don't know where I'm at really. I might see one line if I can get her turned here enough. The glare from the sun's really not helping much either. See whereabouts I'm at here. Salty chloride on the windows. Oh yeah, way off. Need a good window cleaning. There we go. Now we're getting out of the sun there a little bit. Straighten out a little bit here. Take the Colorado here. I think we should actually be really good there. Shove it back with the stinger here a little bit. There. That off. Back where they belong since they're not wet anymore. Sting it down, leave it underneath there. So we still got to put the transfer case in park, or not. Still got to put the transfer case in too high here. Transfer case put in too high, and we'll be done. Key on, put her in neutral. See, the red end is lit up, if you can tell. Let's put her back over to too high. And transmission is transfer case is shifted, and we can shut it off. We're done. Open the clamps, sting it in. A little bit. Pull up here and we will close the arms and boom up. And tilt her up here, and once we get all the way up, we will be done. Alright, so we are done with that one. I'm gonna get a few things done here real quick, grab a few things, and we will go out and get that abandoned vehicle I was talking about. It is, I believe, a Ram van, full-size Ram cargo van. So we'll head out there in just a bit. Alright, this is the gem that we have to work with. Let's see what exactly it is here. Coming up with 97 Dodge Ram van. That jives with the VIN on it here before we do anything. Looks like it is unlocked. We are jiving, so plate matches vehicle. I'm gonna get some more pictures here of it real quick. Cherokee van. Front license plate dangled. Doesn't look like there's really anything in it. I don't know if you guys can see in there or not. Just a bunch of junk. I'm gonna get this called in real quick and we will verify if it's stolen or not. I figured by now if it was stolen, the sheriff's department would have ended up seeing it here by now. This is a pretty well-traveled area, so we will call it in anyways here and we will find out. Hey Jenny, this is Jeremy with Roemen's Towing in Del Rapids. Hey, good. I have an abandoned vehicle on private property that I was going to remove, and I just wanted to verify if it's stolen or not before I touch it. Yeah. It's been sitting here about 2 or 3 weeks, so plate number, South Dakota number 32394 Charlie. That's a Dodge Ram van, cargo van, and it's like a bluish color. Okay. All right. I'll take care of it. Thanks. Yep. Yeah. Bye. All right. Not stolen, so we are good to go. I just have to go in and get paperwork signed by the customer here to have their authority to remove it from their property. So I'm doing all my legal stuff properly with the state, and once I get that done, we will get loaded up. All right, let's get turned around here, and we will end up backing up to it and get it lifted up. Boom down, arms open. This is a rear-wheel drive only van, so we're just gonna pick her up by the back end here. And then we'll strap the steering wheel straight. Can't see where I'm at. I think I'm lined up good, but we will check here. You're good enough on the side. Not enough slack there. A little off to one side, but that's okay. Strap for the steering wheel. Grab the light bar. Let's see. I have to get inside here anyways, put that on, so let's go on top. There. Before we get that in the way, let's see what we all got in here. Looks like a smashed rear heater. Bunch of bottles and junk. Nothing good. And a nice hole in the floor too. Goobered up there. Rusted through. They actually took this rubber mat and glued it in because the floor is rotted out, so they glued that to cover up the hole there. See, our wheels need to turn this way a little bit. Where can we go here? Solid seat frame with nothing to grab to. Well, we're gonna, not the best spot to go to, but we'll go to the pedal. And then we'll take the See if we can do the seat belt as a safety here. Don't really like using seat belts, but just in case that pedal pops out. Get this slid up here. If the seat belt will even reach. Oh, we're right there. So cool. There we go. We got her. That will hold. Let's go with this one. All right. Stinger and a smidge. And the anchor points here. Let's get over on the other side here. All right, we got that one loaded up. We're gonna make one more stop here, and then I'll get it back to the yard, so I'll see you in a bit. All right, so we are back at our lot here. We'll get the gate opened up here quick. We're gonna take this one and stick in the far corner here. Before we do that, I'm gonna disconnect my safety chain so I can get a little bit tighter turning radius here. Can't get under there. There we go. Alright, had a little bit of jockeying around there. Tight area, trying to get maneuvered around with a long load like that. I think I never did look. Let's see if there's any keys in here. No keys in the ignition, at least. This is seatbelt unbuckled here. There is a key up here. Let's see. Starts and runs. Wasn't that just fancy? Those look like some Ford keys too. Let's see, maybe. Alright, now the ignition key won't come back out. Let me throw all this down here. Up in here. What the hell? There we go. Make sure this key works on the door here before we lock it up. That works. The door doesn't work very well. At least it's locked. That one's locked. I think that's locked. Nope, not locked. We'll just lock it from in there. There we go. And that one's not locked, but let's see, either locked up there. Good. Key in there for now. Alright, shove it out here a little ways. So this vehicle was abandoned there for about 3 weeks. They said they were just going to leave it there for a couple hours, and ended up turning into 3 weeks. So, the property owner wanted to get rid of it. Alright, 2 down. And so far, that's all I need to do right now. I got to do some stuff in the store. So I will catch you guys later. Hopefully I get some more calls here shortly. So until next time, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.